یہ غلط ہے. سی اے جو پروٹیسٹ ہو رہا تھا پورے ملک میں ہو رہا تھا, 600-700 جگہ پہ ہو رہا تھا, وہاں پر کوئی بھی وائلنس نہیں تھا, کوئی بھی پتھر بھی نہیں پھینکا گیا. لیکن اب جن لوگوں نے پروٹیسٹ کیا وہ ایک پیسفل پروٹیسٹ تھا. ڈیموکریٹک رائٹ انڈین سٹیزن کا ہے کہ وہ پروٹیسٹ کر سکتا ہے. وہ اگر وہ وائلنس کرے پھر گورنمنٹ کا کام ہوتا ہے اس کو پکڑے, اس کو ٹھیک ہے. لیکن یہاں کوئی بھی وائلنس نہیں ہوا, لیکن لوگوں کو دھمکانے کے لیے, ڈرانے کے لیے کہ تم یہ راستہ اپناؤ گے تو تم کو ہم پریشان کریں گے. اس لیے جو قانون ہے اس کا مس یوز کیا جا رہا ہے. یو اے پی اے قانون اس لیے نہیں بنا تھا کہ جو سول سوسائٹی اگر پروٹیسٹ کرے گی, ایک پیسفل پروٹیسٹ کرے گی تو اس کو اوپر یو اے پی اے لگا دیں گے. یو اے پی اے جو ہے صرف ٹیرر ایکٹیویٹیز کے لیے بنایا گیا تھا اور اسی کے لیے ہے. اور مجھے امید ہے کہ یہ جو غلط کام حکومت کر رہی ہے یہ کام جو ہے انشاءاللہ کورٹوں میں جا کر کے کورٹیں اس کا نوٹس لیں گی اور اس کو قواش کر دیں گی, ختم کر دیں گی, اس لیے کہ اس کا کوئی بھی جواز نہیں ہے. یہ غلط ہے. یہ you see the campaign, the communalization campaign that occurred in India after about 1200 people were found in the Tablighi Jamaat Markaz, and they started saying that Tablighi people were planning, they were hiding, they were going to spread this virus all over the country. That was wrong. That was, I mean, there were so many places, in so many places, in mandirs, in gurdwaras, in churches, in hostels, in universities, there were hundreds of people who were stranded. So these people were also stranded, but kind of narrative was created. Rather, it was not just created, it was invented to show that somehow the Tablighis were planning to spread this violence, this corona virus, and it was said that this is the corona jihad, things like that. That was wrong. And I hope some people will go to courts against these media outlets which are very much in this business of inventing and putting things in mouth and giving bad name to the Muslim community. And this campaign, which was first against the Tablighis who were inside the markaz or who came in contact with them, then it became a campaign against all Tablighis all over India who had no connection with this group of people who were found in the Tablighi Jamaat Markaz. And after that, it was also generalized to include all Muslims. Any Muslim with a beard, with a topi, with a kurta, he became a suspect, and people all over the country, even from, I have heard in Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar, in Maharashtra, in West Bengal, in Bihar, in UP, Muslims were persecuted. In villages, they were expelled from villages. In Delhi, we have seen that Muslim vendors who were selling fruit and vegetables, they were told not to come to their colonies. And Muslims were attacked in a number of places, including in Delhi. 2 Muslims were attacked here. So all this was because of the media's insensible and irresponsible behavior. And I hope that some people will go to court to teach them a lesson. Because unless you go to court, these people will not learn any lesson, and they will continue to find such cases again in future and create a false narrative against the Muslim community, because a certain section of media and also a certain section of the ruling class also believes in this, that they should keep this narrative, this false narrative against Muslims alive, so that there is polarization in society, and when times of election comes, there will be polarization on communal lines and they will benefit from it. So we must frustrate this game. It is very important.